Hi everyone. It becomes difficult for a thief to find correct key in bunch of keys rather than using only one key to open a lock, isn't it? Implementing this same concept in securing password gives rise to floating password secured through BDNA algorithm. Why floating password is the question comes to the mind when we hear the title of our idea. As static passwords are only existing gives necessary to dynamic password. OTPs used for two-factor authentication and poor password strength makes it vulnerable. OTPs are sent through SIM interface cards and through emails can be tracked easily. The flow of idea is represented with this flowchart, registering the account by filling the details along with the password. The password entered is stored and updated in the database in encrypted form using BDNA algorithm to avoid the misuse of database handlers. The user has scope to choose the algorithm required to change password. The new password is obtained through an app and it is used to log in to our account, get our work done and log out the account. Thus the password changes continuously for every login. Let us explain it with the simple one. Mr. Isaac has set a password and chosen prime number algorithm and shared his password to his friend Mr. Hitler for a purpose. Mr. Hitler can't access Mr. Isaac's account in his absence, though he knows the password, because password changes for every login. It depends on number of logins, login time to generate the new one. Every number of the password replaces with the next digit prime. Using bit manipulation is the another complex algorithm in which adjacent characters perform XOR operation and produce new password that makes impossible for intruder to access account. Dynamic password provides high security with different length variations and different characters unlike OTP. That makes hacker a difficult task to break the password. Reduce the two-factor authentication as it is used in OTPs. No need to memorize as that of static password. No one can access the account without his or her consent although the password is known. The app from which we get to know about the password is provided with high security of facial recognition. Finally, the idea gives the output as a dynamic password which is stored securely in the database using BDNA algorithm that changes for every successful login. Thank you. For any queries, comment below.